I remember being at a Guru's event in Vegas a couple of years ago, and one of the big gurus that were invited to the Guru event, was shouting out on someone's podcast that memberships are dead. What are memberships are dumb. Memberships don't. What is the? You know what I mean? You remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure you remember all that. And since that time, the industry has accepted the fact that memberships are not dead, that they actually are the way forward. Google, I'm just sorry, it's just too expensive. If you got a $10,000 budget, which sounds like a whole bunch of money, you can click through that in a day. If you're not managing your business right, I mean, it could go fast.